or even the year before, I did a video where I compared a Brooklyn apartment to a Bronx house. And I realized after a while that that technically is not fair. So this is a redo. I originally was going to do 2 Brooklyn apartments because that's technically what a comparison is. But so many of you guys have requested I include some Queens apartments. So this is going to be a Queens versus Brooklyn tour. While I get ready right now to go see the Queens apartment, let's check out the Brooklyn one first. Guys, I reached out to Tricia because I saw this beautifully decorated home that she had online, and I got a little bit jealous because if you guys remember, I am decorating my apartment and I haven't done that much yet. So this was a little bit of an inspiration.
It's an absolutely gorgeous apartment, as you can see, and there's such great use of art and storage in this apartment. I can't wait to show it to you.
Okay, the first thing you see when you walk into this home, books. I'm starting with my favorite color over here, which is like the pink and the red. Kind of matching, actually.
It reminds me of makeup and eyeshadows. It's like so color blocked and beautiful. It's really, the seller just has amazing taste. It's so important that the entrance of any space, especially smaller apartments, really be functional. This is a perfect example of someone using a small hall table. You can throw your keys, but the width of this table is so small that it doesn't take up too much space because, again, we have a lot going on in 850 square feet. 2 bathrooms in a 2-bedroom apartment in New York City is really quite special, and this guest bathroom makes really great use of space. It has a full-size Toto toilet, very modern, very sleek, and perfect for guests. And one of my favorite things about this unit is great use of storage. This is a custom piece that was added onto the kitchen, which actually extended it by a few feet, and also gave it all of this additional storage and deep closet cabinets. Look at this wallpaper. Everyone loved and responded so beautifully to it. And it was such a nice change from so many of the new developments we show where everything is very cookie cutter, white, and almost medicinal. This space has a lot of personality, but yet you're not afraid of it and you feel that you can come in and make it your own.
So coming from the beautiful dining room, we have this living room, and I love that they floated the couch. We never think really to float couches in the middle of the room, and it really allowed them to put the TV here.
Yes, and especially in smaller spaces, but what this does is creates different moods throughout the room.
Right.
And the TV is held back. I believe everyone in a small New York apartment needs a credenza because it's great use of storage. And
Absolutely.
when you have 2 individuals working from home, you've got to find a way to be able to live and work comfortably in this space, but also clean it up perfectly very quickly. One thing that I really loved about this space when I walked in, and I didn't really experience it when it was listed before, was the light and the huge windows in most of the rooms. I love the wallpaper in this room, and I also enjoy so much the custom closets that are on either side of the bedroom. Again, adding more space to put our stuff, but making it more discreet. So what's really great about having a second bedroom is that you can use it for guests or you can use it for workspace. This is actually created for both, with a fold-out couch, a desk, and also a wardrobe closet.
Okay, that was the Brooklyn apartment in the $800,000 range, but stick around to the end because there is a bonus Brooklyn apartment in this video. I'm not leaving until way later today, and I've been trying to eat like a little bit before I go, so I'm gonna make a smoothie, and I wanna thank Ritual for sponsoring today's video. Ritual is a monthly subscription service that delivers multivitamins directly to your door. I'm essentially finished with the first bottle. I keep mine in this, it's not the prettiest, but I keep it in this Dollar Tree toolkit, and I just put it on my countertop so that I see it first thing in the morning and I don't forget it. They've identified the 9 key nutrients that women often lack from their diet. That usually includes vitamin D, vitamin B12, folate, and omega-3s. Even though I'm eating something now technically, you can take them on a completely empty stomach and they don't give you any nauseous feeling. My doctor has always prescribed me vitamin D. Let's face it, I live in the East Coast and I have darker skin, so it is harder for me to absorb vitamin D naturally from the sun. On the site, it's really easy to figure out which vitamins are for you. There's a women's and men's 18 plus and 50 plus. There's also postnatal and prenatal vitamins as well. So with this, I don't have to take multiple pills. I can just get everything in one dose. And since better health is not gonna happen overnight, Ritual is giving you guys 10% off your first 3 months. So that's 10% off in the first 3 months by going to the link in my description box and using the code at checkout. are in Woodside, Queens. This is the Queens apartment that I'm going to be showing you guys. The price of this unit is $821,700. I want to thank George, who is the agent for this unit. I will leave the link in the description bar down below. 3-bedroom, 2 full bathroom. And the first thing I want to show you guys is a washer dryer. So the washer dryer comes with the apartment and you never have to go to a laundromat. This is a huge hallway that you can get your strollers, your bikes, your groceries, but you also have a closet here in the hallway so you can put all your coats there. This building was built in 2011. So the good thing about that is you're not going to have anything breaking down like a pre-war old building, and you can still add some character into the apartment. It is 1,222 square feet. You gotta keep that extra 2 square feet. We need every square inch that we can get. But the best part is that it has a private 60 square foot outdoor space, which especially after 2020 is something we're all gonna want. It's the middle of the winter, and I know some people like me have said you can't use outdoor space all the time, but being out here in the middle of January, I would put a little table out here, get one of those fire pits. I know we all have those Pinterest boards with fire pits. A little fire pit, and I don't know, roast some marshmallows out here or something. We have a ton of restaurants in the area, but if you're someone who likes to cook, you have this separate kitchen with granite countertops. It pretty much has everything you need. You've got the stove oven combination and a dishwasher, all stainless steel appliances, and when things start to get smoky, you not only have a vent, but you've got a window in the kitchen. From the living room, you have the hallway, and this is where you have all of the bedrooms and the bathroom. Before you get to the bedrooms though, you have this little hall closet, which I would definitely put some more shelves in here because you could fit all of your towels, your blankets. So it's super convenient that you have the linen closet right off the bathroom. So it's very easy. If you forget your towel, you can just come right here, go back to the bathroom. And this is the bathroom that the rest of the bedrooms would share. It has a single vanity sink, a really big tub that you can definitely soak on, and beautiful tiles. This is the first of the 3 bedrooms, and this is probably the bedroom that I would make my office, mainly because it is a nice size. I would keep the walls white in here. This is facing west, which is perfect for me because you get afternoon light. I like to sit facing outside because it gives me the sense that I'm kind of not by myself. I'm with other people doing my work, and I'm kind of nosy. I'm one of those people who I get up and I go to the window to see what's going on outside. So my desk would have to go here. I guess I would have to pull it out a little bit, obviously, so I'm not burning out from the heat or from the air conditioner. This is the 3rd and final bedroom, and it has its own bathroom. So like I said, you do not have to share with the hall bathroom. It also has a really big closet. You could put all of your clothes in here, all of your fitness clothes. It is right after the new year. I know we're probably all figuring out how we're gonna exercise more. And all of your fitness clothes can fit in here, which you're gonna need because there is a gym in this building. This is my first kind of foray into Queens. If you guys want me to do more Queens apartments for sale or for rent, let me know what neighborhoods you guys like the most. I know Astoria and Long Island City are really popular, but if there are other neighborhoods that you guys like, let me know. Guys, we made it to the second apartment. We're losing light, so we apologize if we have to rush through this a little bit, but I love this place so much that I wanted Tricia to show it to you guys.
This one has had so many customizations and changes to the layout. The kitchen itself is opened up in the standard units, and there's several hundred of them. This is the enclosed kitchen, but they actually lowered the floor here and brought it down and removed a wall here, as well as removed an entire wall of cabinets here, and then created a nook for dining over here.
And then look at that storage cabinet there. It's a teal turquoise.
Yeah, this is like an old school locker that's been painted, and it's being used for storage here. So with the open layout, what's great is that the kitchen just flows directly into the dining room. This can take a 6 or an 8-seater dining room space. This was previously a bar, but we have edited it now just for showing, but we used to have a full bar here. The windows are throughout the dining room and the living room space.
This was absolutely the part when I saw on your listing. I didn't even get past the second picture because this is everything that I could have imagined. First of all, this is a projector, right?
It is. It's a projector, and that's what they use for their television.
Yeah, so it keeps the space really open. You don't have to have any big, bulky, I guess, TV consoles.
Yeah.
It's darker now, so you get the real ambiance. I love that word, ambiance. I sound so fancy. I feel fancy when I say that word. But you get the ambiance of how a place will look at night. And I think that's something that renters and buyers don't really pay that much attention to. Great, you want to see what it looks like in the daytime, but the nighttime is just as important.
Exactly, and that's usually in you know, the majority of the time that we spend in the spaces at night. So sometimes you'll have someone consider it right before they close, like, oh, I should probably see this at night. But I mean, as you can see, it's almost dark now, and the space just gets even more warm and more cozy in the evening.
Even though you don't get to keep all of the things that are in here, you don't get to keep the personal effects, but you said that a lot of people wanted to buy a lot of the things.
Yeah, so far everyone that's shown interest and started negotiations, it's contingent on the dining room table, this in the bathroom, or this photograph and things like that. And that happens a lot of time when people have really great taste. So now we're in the main bedroom, and we have the walk-in closet just off of the bedroom here. And he's actually used the height of the ceilings to add additional storage above. So 950 square feet is actually a really great size 2-bedroom in Fort Greene. So you can see we have a king-size bed and lots of storage. So with the second bedroom, you can do whatever you want. You can store more plants in here. You can have a twin-size bed and all this space, or you can do a nice queen size bed. So in Fort Greene, 950 square feet is a good amount of space, and for a 2-bedroom layout, it's a great amount of space. So you may see other options for new development where you're going to get newer amenities, but you're going to get a lot less space. And for something like this in new development, you can expect to pay about a $1.2 million price point in this area.
We have ended the tour for today. I want to let you guys know Tricia made these cookies for herself, and because I hadn't eaten, and you guys know that I'm super greedy, I ate her cookies, so I want to thank her for that.
You're quite welcome.
By the time this video goes up, you would have already seen her house tour, so I will link that in the cards, and I will link that in the description box below. And I'll see you guys in another one. Move around.
Get the blood flowing.
Yeah, I just said it. Now I can't remember what I said. What is this? The linen closet. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. I like to sit. No, I want to stay here. I just got brain dead. I'm so hungry.
You guys are always welcome back in Fort Greene.
No, we coming to your house. We don't want to come back here. We want to come to your house.
Where the baked goods are.
Yeah, there's nothing for me to do here. Come on, let's go.